Latest on the transfer news, amathimba amaningi ayathenga, engabe yakho i-team iyathenga. Ngizoqala nje nge-team eyawina i-Betway Premiership okuyi-Orlando Pirates. Namhlanje i-announce abadlali abathathu okubani na? Okunewo, uMatome, beno-Aphiwe. Abajida bawu-3 bafethu, they will be the new signings of Orlando Pirates. So far, Orlando Pirates isi-confirm 7 players ababasayinile. There are still players who are going to be signed by Orlando Pirates. I remember Undlovu is one of those players. But it looks like Orlando Pirates ayikakami ngempela ekusayineni abadlali because look at these players. These players are very, very good and they are very, very talented. It looks like kusazoba khona nje i-competition ekhona kulesa squad se-Orlando Pirates. Sakuyona nje i-Orlando Pirates iconfirmile ukuthi-ke i-Orlando Pirates iconfirmile ukuthi-ke idedele uKhoto benobani na benosiyabonga Ndlovu. I spoke about uSiyabonga Ndlovu ukuthi-ke kungenzeka ishiye Orlando Pirates after kwi-loan with iMagesi FC. Naku-ke Orlando Pirates imdedelela ini na iSikhukhune United. iSikhukhune United bathenge uKhoto lo ubele kwi-Orbit College mase kuthi-ke uNdlovu ube kwi-Magesi FC. So Orlando Pirates iyenzile-ke imali by selling these players to iSikhukhune United. Tshepo Mashilwane is another player who will be remaining kuyona iSikhukhune United for another season long loan after umjida-ke spent his last season with iSikhukhune United. It seems like umjida usazoqhubeka ahlale with iSikhukhune. Kwezinye zeindaba I spoke about le indaba ke bafethu kuthiwa Orlando Pirates isengam-unveila noma yinini ubani na uSiyanda Ndlovu. uSiyanda Ndlovu nje sikhuluma nje nawe right now, he's in Johannesburg. He's preparing to be unveiled as the new Orlando Pirates player. Singesazi ukuthi Orlando Pirates izom-unveila nini, sengam-unveila nje tomorrow, isengam-unveila nini na ngesonto. But ke as things stand, Mamelodi Sundowns, they failed to beat Orlando Pirates in signing this player. Golden Arrows, it looks like they strike a deal with the Orlando Pirates in signing this player. We don't know as yet what players who are leaving Orlando Pirates. Yabo. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje ekseni bafethu, Jaden Rhodes is another player bafethu osehambile ke la South Africa wayodlala le Europe. The 23-year-old attacker bedlalela Cape Town City, umjidi useyodlalela ke le club le edlala bani na, edlala uYusuf Maart lo bedlalela Kaizer Chiefs. Remember ke Mamelodi Sundowns signed a player kuyona le club le oku Antonio van Wyk. Yabo, it looks like this team likes South African players. Let's hope basozo approach kahle imarket South Africa, babone other players abakhona la eSouth Africa. Yabo, it's a big deal for ubani now Jaden Rhodes while his team Cape Town City ile ezansi bafethu struggling to get back to iBetway Premiership. I feel like yena ne-agent yakhe bakwazi ukuthi bakhulume kahle ukwazi ukuthi umjida awudlala le Europe. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu ke Mazulu FC asesayine another attacker bafethu eqhamuka le Zambia okuMoses Shuma. Umjida ke it looks like a striker sangempela lezi. I like iZambia. It seems like they are producing many talented strikers. Yabo, njoba nje amaZulu eselanda striker eqhamuka khona le Zambia. Let's hope Sophia la kuBetway Premiership senze kahle khona ke ama team azokwazi ke asayine idrag because masubheke nje la kuBetway Premiership we don't have deadly strikers. Yabo, ama strikers are deadly asinawo ngempela. So strikers, they must wake up. Kwezinye izindaba iKaizer Chiefs ke bafethu i-announcile izolo bafethu bathi ke uHappy Mashiyane umjida he is leaving iKaizer Chiefs. I spoke about uMashiyane bafethu omunye wabadlali ongenzeka ahambe ubani na uZwane. But ke iKaizer Chiefs ayikakaenzi any announcements regarding uZwane. But ke Mashiyane is the first player to leave iKaizer Chiefs so far. The other day they announced ukuthi ke uGeorge Motlo is another player olevile. But I kind of feel bad for Mashiyane bafethu, but that's a story for another day. But I do feel bad for Mashiyane after le red card eyenzeka le Cairo. Izinto zakhe ayikakazi zamhambela kahle umjida. Yabo. Kwayike phawise Cairo noma eCasablanca. But ke izinto ayikazi zimhambele kahle umjida ever since he made the tackle eyadala ukuthi ke iKaizer Chiefs ishode kule final yeCAF Champions League. Yabo, but ke let's hope umjida nje bezoqhubeka nje iyaphambili, izinto izomhambela kahle, athole i-team azofika adlale kuyona, athole confidence umjida aqhubeka ephambili nempilo. Ezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu iDurban City, they are looking to sign a new player oqhamuka le kwiHope FC edlala kwiABC Motsepe League. uBen Yusuf efika nje bafethu usebone umdlali unswempu kakhulu. Liam April bafethu ke is not your typical player. This player, I've heard many news regarding this player. Let's hope uzofika kwiDurban City adlale kahle because ucoach Ben Yusuf, he likes players abayimiselayo. I like that coach obecoach iKaizer Chiefs. Let's hope mefika kwiDurban City uzokwazi ukuthi ke iDurban City ayidlalise kahle because you know the owners abaleke kwiDurban City, they like izinto eziqondile. Let's hope this signing will make the team better. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu iGolden Arrows isisayine umdlali obedlalela ini na, obedlalela eMarumo Gallants. Umjida ke ube free agent, mena 20 years old. It looks like iGolden Arrows they found a free bargain right now bafethu because you don't usually get ama free agents. yabo. You don't usually get ama-free agents aneminyaka emincane kanje adlala khona la kwi-Betway Premiership bedlalela ama-team amakhulu, yabo. 20-year-old defender, and futhi naloko umjida akusiyena wala South Africa, yabo. That tells you a lot ukuthi ke i-Golden Arrows, they want to booster their defense with quality defenders. Let's hope lo mjida lo, even though iminyaka yakhe imncane, uzofika with yabo i-strength and i-experience leya defense yayo i-Golden Arrows. Ezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu, Andries Anderlecht is the new coach of Cape Town City. Remember ke lo coach lo ube part of i-technical team yabani na ya Erik ten Hag. Remember Erik ten Hag ngosikhathi le kwi-Bayer Leverkusen, he was part of i-technical team lo coach lo. Njoba nje ike i-coach i-Cape Town City singesazi noma ke uzoyicoachela kwi-Betway Premiership noma uzoyicoachela le kwi-BC Municipal League, because we know for a fact Cape Town City iyathanda ukuthenga i-datas zama-team akhona kwi-Betway Premiership. There are many teams who are here in Betway Premiership who are really struggling. Maybe I can name one team like Kruger United. You know the news surrounding the Kruger United. I might make a video regarding Kruger. But again, that's a story for another day. But again, Cape Town City announced their new head coach, Andries Anderlecht.